Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Kamouraska, Quebec is a charming village, located along the south shore of the St. Lawrence River, about halfway between Quebec City and Rivière-du-Loup. Kamouraska is known for its stunning river views, rich history, and beautiful old houses. Kamouraska was founded in the late 17th century, making it one of the oldest villages in Quebec. The name Kamouraska comes from an indigenous word meaning where there are reeds at the water's edge, reflecting the village's close connection to the river and nature. The village has a strong historical heritage, and you can still see many well-preserved homes from the 19th century. These houses, with their colorful roofs and charming gardens, give Kamouraska a unique and picturesque look. Walking through the village feels like stepping back in time. One of the best things to do here is simply enjoy the views of the St. Lawrence River. The sunsets over the river are especially beautiful, and many artists and photographers come to Kamouraska to capture the stunning scenery. The riverbanks are also great for a peaceful stroll or a picnic with a view. Kamouraska has a rich agricultural history as well, and you can still find local farms producing fresh goods like maple syrup, cheese, and baked goods. The village is a great place to try some authentic Quebec cuisine. The area around Kamouraska is also perfect for outdoor activities. You can go hiking in the nearby hills, kayaking on the river, or birdwatching along the shore. The village is surrounded by beautiful landscapes, making it a great destination for nature lovers. Whether you're here to explore the history, enjoy the natural beauty, or just relax by the river, Kamouraska is a place full of charm and tranquility.
Thanks for watching!